Right guys, bad news, just got home from work and I've got this like that is just do some water tests. Yeah, sure just bit of water test done, like, you know, hopefully it's a one-off. Yeah, alright, over. Right, it's Friday night, just got home. I'm not taking any chances on a big water change. I've only got 0.25 nitrite, no ammonia, no nitrate. pH is 7, which is a bit down, but it's still neutral, so it shouldn't kill the fish. But no, it could have been anything. But I won't sleep tonight, so I'm gonna do a big water change. I'm gonna have to do it by the bucket. I still reckon I've got that powdered food in this filter. It's quite hard to pump out. So also I'm taking the onion sack off. I think they're big enough to not go down the hose now. So I'm taking the hardening space away now, so I can see them all. I've not picked it up yet. There could be another dead one underneath, so I'm be doing it like that. This is the water that's coming out of the pressure pump. Just look at all them bits. I don't know what that is. That's way bigger than the food. Must be that powder stuff still in there. The powder food just compacted together, maybe. Oh, I've definitely found a problem. I mean, all that is poos. Focus. Oh, rubbish. There you go. All that's there's poos, but that's uneaten food down there. It's too round not to be. Yeah, it's not good. Right, let's crack on. Right, I've just pulled the pump out, and this onion sack had so much debris stuck to it, it's unbelievable. That's got to be an issue. Look how murky the water's gone. That crap down there, off that onion sack. Maybe that was a bad idea. We've still got 19, so I've only lost one, thank God. Right, let's get this water change done, and yeah, let's crack on. I'm gonna lose another one. This guy is all clamped up. I thought he actually lost his fins front. Yeah, he's not happy. I just got him in the net. It's not red or anything, but you know, he's not well. Yeah, I mean, how do you scrape a fry? Can you? Oh God, so out of my depth here. I know Daryl at Project Core has been having problems as well. Maybe it's the way it is. Some survive, survival of the fittest. I don't know, but yeah, he's not looking good. All right, let's get this water change done. Major flashing happening, so got a TDS meter, water hardness, on 242. Pretty hard. I'll just show you a chart. Yeah, that's not good at all. Can't do the chlorinator as well. So yeah, pretty worried right now. Right guys, I'm losing the light. Just gonna do this is a quick one on the got a lot of questions going on about the Cottony Coil skimmer. Oh, big man. Yeah, fish are absolutely banging. Like the food as usual. Yeah, so these Cottony Coil skimmers, right? I think I said in my last video that I would never ever have one again. They are a bit of a nuisance to put together. So the people that are asking, so let's come this side. So the front front mouth of it here, the right mouth, it's got a dual layered gasket on it. So what you have to do, you have to cut like an envelope slat in your liner here, obviously underneath, from here, you know, obviously back to the top, and then you put the liner in between. So that's your gasket. Got two sides, and it's also got a, you know, an indent in the middle. So you put your liner in between the two. Yeah, it's an envelope. It's like a little envelope box. Then you've got to screw through, and obviously the gasket will then shrink with your liner in between the middle. Sorry, I've been painting, my thumbs are white. And that will hold it together. Yeah, I didn't use any silicone for that. The back, so the actual skimmer here comes with two square gaskets. Yeah, so it's really hard to see, but obviously that's your right. So what I done with them, straight in the bin, useless. All I done was siliconed, a lot of silicone. So from this point here, in the wide mouth, to attach this to the square part of the skimmer here, it's all just loads of silicone up there, down the sides, and then obviously up here, and I have no leaks. It's absolutely tip top. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. It's you know, if you still don't understand, just let me know. But it's the skimmer's working fantastic, yeah, but it's a nuisance. You want, the other thing you have to do, right, it's like that shape there is actually cut into my sleeper. So not just, you know, the lip, not just this lip, it's actually cut into my sleeper, which wedges the skimmer. I mean, if I was to grab the skimmer from underneath and really force it, it would move upwards. But you'd need, you know, you need a lot of force on that, and obviously rip my liner and everything. So yeah, I hope this really helps. But they're budget. They are budget, and they do work. So I'm not gonna mug them off too much. But they're definitely not the best. I'd rather get a straight one. So I mean, worst case scenario, just cut a straight, you know, envelope slot in your sleeper. Anyway, I hope this helps. Yeah, I'll see you later. Cheers.